In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start and join a Zoom call from Slack. If you use Slack for day-to-day communication, connecting it with Zoom makes it much easier to move from chatting to a live meeting without leaving the conversation. Instead of opening another app, creating a link, and pasting it manually, you can launch a Zoom meeting right inside a Slack channel or direct message in just a few moments. Before you begin, make sure the official Zoom for Slack integration is installed in your workspace. It also helps if the email on your Slack account matches the one used for your Zoom account, because that usually allows smoother sign in. If this is your first time using the Zoom command in Slack, you may be prompted to authorize the connection in a browser window. That is a normal part of setup, and it only takes a moment. To start the process, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Then go to the conversation where you want to launch the call. This can be a channel, a direct message, or a group chat, depending on who needs to join. Once you are in the right place, click inside the message box at the bottom so you are ready to type. Now enter the Zoom/command by typing /Zoom in the message field. This command tells Slack that you want to create an instant Zoom meeting from the current conversation. After typing it, send the command just like you would send a normal message. If your account is already connected, Slack will generate the Zoom meeting directly in that conversation. From there, participants can see the meeting option and join from the same Slack thread, which keeps everything organized and easy to access. If you are not signed in yet, Slack may open a browser prompt asking you to complete authorization. Finish that step, then return to Slack and run the command again if needed. One helpful tip is to make sure you launch the meeting in the correct channel or direct message before sending the command, especially if the call is meant for a specific team or project group. That way, the meeting appears exactly where the right people are already talking. This method is useful because it removes extra friction. You do not need to create a meeting separately. Copy an invitation or switch between platforms more than necessary. Everything starts from the same Slack conversation where the discussion is already happening. Once the meeting appears, you and your teammates can join and move from text collaboration to live video communication right away.